everyone, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. This is episode 6 of our autumn crochet series. And today we are making a super handy and stylish coin pouch or a wallet. It's small, quick to make, and perfect for holding coins, cards, or other little essentials. Plus, it's a great gift idea for the season. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started.
I'll be using 3.5 mm acrylic yarn and a 2 mm acrylic yarn. This one I'll be using two strands together, and I'll be using a 4 mm crochet hook size 7 and a scissor. Let's get started. We're going to start with chain 20, make a slip knot and make 20 chains. So here I have my 20 chains. For round 1, skip the first chain from the hook and in the second chain make one single crochet and then skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in this stitch we are going to make 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After 5 double crochet, skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and in the third chain we're going to make one single crochet. Again skip 2 chains, 1, 2. In the third chain we're going to make 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After 5 double crochet, again skip 2 chains and in the next chain one single crochet, again skip 2 chains, in the next chain 5 double crochet, after 5 double crochet skip 2 chains and in the last chain make one single crochet, and this one right here. Now we are going to follow the same pattern on the other side as well. So skip 2 chains and in the next chain we're going to make 5 double crochet. After 5 double crochet, again skip 2 chains and in the third one make one single crochet, skip 2 and again make 5 double crochet, skip 2 1 single crochet, skip 2, make 5 double crochet. And in the first single crochet, this one right here, make a slip stitch. So your round one should look like this, and it's all completed. For round 2, make 2 chains, and we are going to make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. This one where we made a slip stitch, so we're going to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. After 3 double crochet, skip 2 stitches, 1 and 2. In the third stitch, make 1 single crochet, again skip 2, and in the third make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After 5 double crochet, skip 2, and in the third one make 1 single crochet. So you are going to follow the same pattern and make stitches all around. So in the second round, once you have made your last single crochet, we are going to come back again in the same stitch where we made 3 double crochet. We're going to make 2 double crochet in the same, 1 and 2, and slip stitch in the first double crochet, this one right here. So your round 2 is complete. For round 3, we're going to make 1 chain and 1 single crochet in the same stitch, and again we are going to skip 2. In the third stitch, we are going to make 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again skip 2, and in the third stitch 1 single crochet, and again we are going to follow the same pattern. Skip 2, 5 double crochet, skip 2, 1 single crochet all around the edges. At the end of third round, we're going to make a slip stitch in the first single crochet which we made. So after 5 double crochet, come to the first single crochet and make a slip stitch. Cut the yarn. So we are going to change the color from the next round, and your 3 rounds are all complete. For round 4, make a slip knot. So this is where we left up. Insert your hook, pull through, and make 2 chains. In the same stitch, we are going to make 3 double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3. Now skip 2 and make 1 single crochet, again skip 2 and make 5 double crochet. So from fourth round we are just going to follow round 2 and 3 alternatively, so you can make the length of the bag according to your liking, however rounds you want, so you can make accordingly. So I'll see you once I have finished my rounds. So here I have made 8 rows. For the buttons strap, make a slip knot. So this is where we made our first single crochet. Here insert your hook and pull through the loop and make 2 chains. In this same space, make 1 single crochet, and in the next 2 single crochet. Like this. Make chain 1 and turn. Now we are going to make 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again chain 1 and turn. 1. So once you have completed 6 rounds of single crochet, turn your work and make a slip stitch in the first stitch like this, and in the second stitch make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet. In the next stitch make 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet and slip stitch in the next stitch, and then cut the yarn. And secure the ends. For the strap, we are going to work in this stitch, the 5th stitch, the 5 stitches which we made in the 3rd one. Insert your hook and make a slip knot here. Pull through like this and make chains. So here I have made 30 chains. We are going to attach it back with a slip stitch in the same stitch, like this. Make chain 1, now we are going to work in the chain and we are going to make 1 single crochet in the chain. In each chain we are going to make 1 single crochet all around. So once you have made single crochet, again slip stitch in the same stitch and cut the yarn and pull through. Here secure both the ends on this side. So your pouch is all ready.
And that's it. Your autumn coin pouch is ready to use. I hope you loved making this quick and practical project. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't miss the next cozy project in our autumn crochet series. Tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your work. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.